You know that feeling when a package arrives but you don't want to open it alone, because part of the magic isn't just what's inside, it's how it's revealed. Its texture, the weight, the first impression. So today I waited just so we could open this together. Today we are doing something very simple and very satisfying. We are unboxing in real time the Kodak Charmera, this tiny digital camera everyone seems to talk about. Bonjour! Welcome back to your home for your creativity and your well-being. I'm Melody, a photographer, art director and yoga teacher based in London, and this is actually the second Kodak Charmera that I've ordered. I've been playing with the Charmera for about 3 months now, and if you're looking for a deep review, image quality, usability, my honest thoughts, I already have a full video like this. You'll find a link above and in the description. But today it's not about the spec, today is about the experience. I think the unboxing experience really matters. It's part of how we connect with an object. The box, the materials, the way the product is presented, all of that already tells you a story before you even turn the camera on. And even if it's unconscious, I'm sure that there's some brand that you prefer because the packaging and the experience make you feel better. And I know how frustrating it can be to order something online and not really know what you're gonna receive. So today I will show you everything. I was genuinely waiting to open it just for this video, so I am so excited. I don't know what design I'm gonna get this time. Last time I got this one, so I'm very excited to see with you. So let's go. We see the box here. So this is to see the size of the box. You can see the comparison with my hand. It's really small, it's really cute. This is the back. On the side, the product features. This front, I really like the box. It's very retro, very Kodak. And here you can see the 7 style, all of those. I've got the Type 4 already that you've seen. Okay, let's unbox it together. Okay, easy to do. I kind of like the pink here, it's a detail, but felt smooth. And I like how it cuts the name here. Yeah, pretty clean. Pretty clean. I'm gonna remove it here. It's opening like this. You've got, oh, I've got the red one. You've got plastic here, so I'm gonna open the 4 corner and then taking the box like this. So what do you have inside? You have a little paper. What is the Kodak Charmera? And then on the back, it shows you, again, like in the box, the retro design, the photo filter. Then you have a really cute card, 1987, with again, the design that I got. So I guess, you know, every time you have a design, you've got the card that fit with it. And then you have the quick start here guide to help you start the camera. Then you've got, I'll take the camera at the end, a little gel you can throw away, obviously. In this plastic bag, you open and you've got the keychain to add in your camera, and also the cable. So yeah, that's the thing where I think they've made a huge error. This old USB, like, it's so annoying to have this. So I wish it was USB-C to USB-C. That's the only thing. Obviously you can use other cable. I know that I'm charging my other Charmera with another cable on my iPhone cable and it's working. Here you go. And we have a visitor now. And then the final one that we wanted to see, the camera. It looks really good. I'm not sure it's charged. I'm gonna see if I switch on. Yeah, okay. You can select the photo, the video, or see your photo that you took already, photo you're gonna select, and then you can take a photo. There's a little flash as well. Nice. And you switch back off. And that's it. So let's review everything that you have in the kit from the box. Here, the plastic thing, the cable, the keychain, the camera. Very happy to have this one, the little gel and the little plastic. And you also have the card that is super cool and explaining what kind of, you know, Charmera was inspired into. And that's it. Simple, clean, very Kodak in my opinion. It doesn't try to impress you too hard, and I kind of love that. I also like the surprise effect of not knowing what design you'll get. It's very trendy, of course, at the moment with other products. That's definitely not something new. It's nice to surf on the trends, I think, in my opinion anyway. And you feel like a kid again. And in this digital world, honestly, for £30, it just feels extremely good. Merci beaucoup for unboxing this with me. It was a pleasure to do it with you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Connecting with you is my goal, really, and it's the only way I can grow this YouTube channel. So let me know in the comments, are you intrigued by this camera now, or which design you would like to have? If you want my full review and real world thoughts, you can watch the video at the end of this one, it'll take you there, and otherwise I'll see you next week for a new video.